unboxing the DayLite HDi Dental Complete. Let's go over each of the components included with your new lighting system. Cleaning cloth, power pack charger, charger cable, blue headlight cable, power pack with holster and belt clip, adjustment tool, Ultra Mini HDi headlight, attach the headlight to the T-mount bracket on the frame. Angle the light to your desired position, then lock with the included adjustment tool. Now let's turn on your Ultra Mini HDi headlight. First, plug the USB-A end of the blue headlight cable into the power pack. Next, plug the micro USB end of the cable into the headlight. Press the button on top of the power pack to turn on. The light will cycle through, high, medium, then off. This lighting system is compatible with the Ultra Mini HDi IR and also the Ultra Mini SDi.